Boo Dating App Review. I'm going to tell you whether the Boo Dating app is actually worth your time in 2025. On one hand, Boo offers personality based matching with MBTI like quizzes, community threads, avatar creation, and emoji reactions, which gives it fun social media vibe that's rare in dating apps. Many users on Reddit says it feels fresh compared to Tinder or Hinge, and a few even found meaningful connections, though some warn of bots that often push sketchy investment chat links. However, a big downside is the paywall. After a few swipes, most key features like messaging or seeing likes require the Boo Infinity subscription or in app coins, and users frequently complain about glitches, disappearing messages, and the limited local user base. So if you enjoy quirky community features and don't mind paying, Boo can be fun. But if you want solid user volume, smooth performance, and free messaging, you're probably better off sticking with more mainstream apps.